We're about to go board this plane. I have to board for 13 hours.
Good morning. Today is a wonderful day. I'm here to inspire you to begin your day with an uplifting breath practice. Full breath out. Exhale, swing the arms forward and down.
Good morning, everyone. Today is a travel day to New Zealand. It's gonna be a long one. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm trying to mentally prepare myself. And to be honest, my flight doesn't even leave till 4 p.m. this afternoon. But we've got a lot to do. And a lot of that prepping includes this little guy. While I'm in New Zealand for spring break, the breeder that I got Matcha originally from is going to be watching him. They're basically family to me and have become another set of grandparents. So I'm gonna take them out to breakfast at the Griddle this morning. If y'all have ever been to the Griddle in Boise, you know it's just the best. They have the biggest, yummiest portions, and I love it because I'm from Texas, where everything is bigger and better. Yeah, we're gonna head out right now. Matcha's ready. He's just looking at me, like ready to go. Are you ready? I'm currently based in Boise, Idaho because this is where I go to college. Boise is pretty small. The airport is not very big. So therefore that means that I'm gonna have more layovers than if I had departed from where I'm originally from, which is Austin, Texas. Bigger airport, lots of more places to go to without having any layovers. So my flight itinerary looks like this. I leave Boise, arrive in Seattle, depart Seattle, arrive in LAX, depart LA, arrive in Auckland, New Zealand. And today's the 15th. I should be arriving there on the 17th. Yeah!
There they are. We got 4 chicks.
What? I think I'm gonna start crying. I love them so much. And they knew that my birthday is coming up in a week. Next Sunday, I turn 21 years old, which is insane. They got me a little birthday gift. It's actually not so little, but it is so meaningful, and I cannot wait to put this in my backyard. I have never had a bird feeder in my life, and look at how beautiful this is. Like, are you joking? And there's bird feed in here and the sweetest little card as well. I'm back at home and I'm waiting for my quote from Plato's Closet. So in the meantime, I'm gonna start finishing last minute packing as well as changing into my airport outfit. Let's do a time check. Okay, it's 12:01. My Uber is picking me up at 2:45, but somehow in between I need to go back to Plato's Closet and get my quote. So we're kind of in a time crunch right now, but I packed my rolling suitcase and then I have my duffel bag started. So I feel like we're doing okay. I already packed all my clothes in the packing cubes, but I'll show you guys the shoes. Here's a couple of the shoes that I'm bringing. I'm bringing these little Reeboks. Then obviously some sandals. I have black ones and then I have these white ones with gold buckles. I will be bringing my Converse and then I'm gonna wear my On Cloud tennis shoes on the plane. I think I'm also gonna bring a pair of heels. So let's pick out a pair from this rack. Okay, I kind of wanna do these. Yeah, I'm gonna do these ones. Yesterday I had my friend Allie over for dinner and she was so shocked at my packing cubes because she had never seen anything like it before. And so my biggest tip for anybody traveling is to get packing cubes, not only for your clothes and whatnot, but also for your shoes, because shoes are so dirty and putting them with your clothes, your toiletry bags, it's just not sanitary. In this one, I just fit 3 pairs of shoes and then I'll fit my Converse in here. here, and then we'll put the heels on top. Other things that I'm going to be bringing, this is my favorite fanny pack for any adventures. I brought this all throughout semester at sea, and it is just the best because it's made by a family local to Idaho. Walker Family Goods not only made this fanny pack, but they also made my favorite duffel bag that I love traveling with. I'm also going to be bringing my favorite tote bag. This is from the brand Kokaloo. This bag alone is made from 8 recycled water bottles, if you can believe that. They're no longer online exclusively. They're sold at Target, which is so cool. This is going to be my airport fit. I have this sports bra from Lululemon. These pants are from Aritzia. They're the comfiest wide leg baggy sweats. And then I have this new hoodie. This is actually going to be my first time wearing it. It's from the brand Pink Pom Puff. Look at how cute the back is. There's like this beautiful flower. And then the front has seashells and then a palm tree. I have my women's multivitamin, probiotics, all those things, pills in here for the flight. And then I also am bringing these. This is from a Korean brand. I literally don't really know what it does, but I'm gonna guess that it's like a toning pad or something. It might feel good in the middle of a 22-hour travel day. Then I have baby toothpaste. I'm gonna bring my toothbrush, and then I also have 1 pair of contacts. This will be good because I want to take out my contacts when I'm on the really long flight. Another thing that I definitely don't want to forget to bring are these 1-pound hand weights. I've been loving wearing these on walks, and they're just so cute. This one is actually sent from Drunk Elephant, the skincare brand, and I've never seen this yellow neon color before. Oh my gosh, also, you guys, look at how beautiful and gorgeous this Coach bag is. She's so little and perfect. Obviously, she's coming to New Zealand with me. I'm gonna be taking this suitcase on the plane as my carry-on because I only get 1 checked bag, and I decided that I wanted to make that bag my duffel. Squish it all in here. Now for the test of can I lift this. Yeah, I think I should be okay. We got this. Yesterday, Alana FaceTimed me in the middle of the aisle of Whole Foods asking me if the snacks that she got were okay. And they were fabulous, you guys. I'm so excited to eat it. She also showed this like sea salt dark chocolate caramel thing. Don't get me wrong, I am so excited for this bestie girl trip together, but I'm also really excited for the snacks that she got. I'm gonna be bringing 4 of these beef sticks. These are my favorite beef sticks ever. It's from the brand Stoke Provisions. I'll link them down below. The green one is Hatch Green Chili, and then this is just the regular one. And then I also have some of these leftover original savory thin mini crackers from Trader Joe's. And these are so freaking good. Airport food in general is just so overpriced. And the food on planes, it's not the worst, but it's not the best. And I always have to be pretty careful because a lot of them have nuts in them. I'm always being that annoying passenger that's like, hey, just want to make sure, I know that there's no peanuts in this, but is there any macadamia nuts, cashews, pine nuts, pistachios, walnuts, anything like that. I'm also going to be bringing a packet of bone broth. My favorite travel backpack is this one from Boise. I'm going to make a coffee because I don't want to spend money at the airport on a ridiculously overpriced coffee that probably isn't gonna taste that great. Oh wait, should I do coffee or should I do a matcha? I'm gonna do a matcha, okay. Update on my ice machine, it's still broken, so we're using these little ice molds and I have to refill them every 3 days. When I get back from New Zealand, the Treefort Music Festival is coming to Boise again. I wanted to go so bad the last couple of years, but it always fell on spring break. And I think this is the first year where they finally pushed it the week after spring break. So more college students can actually go to it this year. Side note, honey has become my new favorite sweetener. A little bit of water in this jar. And this is the matcha that I've been loving. I'm a huge fan of the Starbucks brown sugar shaken espresso, so I like to do an extra shake at home by putting on the mason jar lid and then shaking it like this. This also allows all the honey that kind of gathers at the bottom.
yesterday, you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college.
Alana's phone is black and white.
This is what happens when you work in tech wellness.
This should be illegal. We're getting dinner at Cabo right now because our flight leaves in like 2 hours. 2 hours. I was about to say 45.
Let's do your splendid greens.
Yeah.
And then hummus and tzatziki. Guys, this is about to be so bussin'.
Look at how delicious this looks.
My first coma. I've actually never spent a lot of time at LAX before, surprisingly. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I know.
Guys, we're like matching right now.
It's like the same exact sweatshirt too, like same material, like same. Don't board this plane. I had to board for 13 hours.
But I had to fall out of love with you to fall in love with myself.
We got a pillow though, so this is kind of luxury. Oh, what book did we bring today, Alana?
Oh, we're not gonna read it on the flight because we will destroy it.
Do they like rewash these? Same thing with the headphones. I saved mine from the last flight because I didn't want to be waiting.
Yesterday, you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to first coffee. Cause up until yesterday, you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college. I safely stored you away.